How to crop an image in Figma. So let's start off with a frame, and let's just choose a random frame like that, and let's import an image. So what you want to do is go to the fill and then select this image icon right here. You can also do GIFs, but I'm gonna use an image. What you want to do is choose an image right here. I'm just gonna get a random image from my desktop. Here what you want to do, and now if you know what I'm doing right now is controlling the frame size, the frame resolution. What you realize here is that the picture is always centered. This is the default mode. What you want to do is go here and select crop. Here you can manually crop your image, and there you go, there's the image right there. Now I can actually do this as well. This basically keeps the original resolution of the picture, and because it keeps the original resolution, it can't stretch the image, so we're just gonna keep on repeating the same exact image over and over again. And there you go, that's how to crop an image in Figma. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.